mo sinilita mo ng happy birthday kay Jamis siya. Mas kilang miss ka. I love you kay Jamis. I love you, miss. Front of the Jamis.
Next.
Si Shan. Hi, miss. Si Shan. Of course, you can remember me. Sorry, medyo out of voice ko. Happy birthday, miss. We love you. We miss you. And I hope you can visit us soon. Super happy sa mga class na. Bulong siya po na sinulain. Gwapo, gwapa, tanan.
Sabi mo.
Including me, tapos.
Wait,
Ay,
include.
Erika, bye-bye, miss. Happy birthday. What love you.
Next.
Hi, miss. How are you? Inamiss ka na din ako, miss. Promise. Happy birthday, miss. Wish you may
May husay pa na niya.
Birthday to ko. We miss you very much. Holy na di ba namin? Sige, miss. Bye-bye.
Next.
Ay, miss. Pinagaling ko sa kibala na rin. Tayo mo, miss. Umunta kong kalapad mo. Matandaan.
Wesley, ikaw na.
Basta miss ako na miss. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Kasi miss siya rin. Kami rin para sa mo, miss. We are willing to celebrate your kapilan na birthday with you, miss. Happy birthday.
Miss,
Hi, miss. Bye, miss.
Tanong nga.
Hi, miss. Bye, miss.
Happy birthday, Mandaay. Wesley.
Great day, miss.
Hi, miss.
Message.
Bro, bala na yung assignment. Kaya kulin na miss, miss na ka.
Yeah.
Kami dua miss ni Ivan, miss kami.
Sa Ivan.
Miss, kulin na miss. Sige, kamay.
Next.
Punta ka na namin. Down namin si Miss. Balik na din pa namin. Ate ka na, ikaw liwat ka perfect na. Miss, 2 years namin, miss. Going strong.
Gia.
Tayo, nag-order. Hi, miss. Happy birthday. Birthday namin. Kaway kami sa kulit. Kasi sunod na ako. Take care ka na. Mama. Great gawin na ka.
Uy, Marcia, ikaw na.
Marsha.
Hi, miss. Happy birthday. Love you. Love you.
Jess.
Happy birthday! Sila ka naman kayo, happy birthday!
Next. Pal.
Happy birthday! Ano? Birthday
Love you.
Okay na.
Hi, miss. Happy birthday. Hello, kada. Love you. Pero ka ba pinatuloy? Hi, miss.
Hi, miss! Birthday ba? Birthday mo ba bang? Happy birthday! Ang good!
Yo, yan.
Wala.
Miss, nagaan pa ka sa kulit. Miss, pwede sa kalabaw.
Walang lusin mo.
Ganun.
Go.
Hi, miss. Happy birthday. Love you so much. This good girl yan ha. Tali. Kabahan mo na ako 5 years old. Love you so much, miss. Yung malit na. Pinatok na na. Ito ang best friend ha. Kasama. Hi, miss. Happy birthday. Habang ka lang siya, miss. Nga, God always, miss. Tani, happy kami na kung yan kasi po. Our advisor, okay lang. Wala, hindi ako compare si mo, miss. Kaya, as in, miss na miss ka naman. God bless always. God bless. So, thank you for birthday. Nothing can compare you. God bless you always. Take care of yourself. No matter what happens, I lang ang tuloy para sino ka. Mag. We love you so much. I love you.
Go.
Hi, Miss. Thank you. Dito ka pala nangihapad mo sa mon. Maharagin namon, Miss. Kanda ka namon. I love you so much. Wow, tatlo ka. Miss, love you. Miss, happy birthday, Miss, miss you. Miss, happy birthday, God bless. Happy birthday, love you, Miss. Happy birthday, Miss, I love you, we miss you. Salamat. Bye, Miss.
Okay, go.
Yo, man. Kumusta ka? Hindi ka, wait lang.
Oy!
Wait lang, wait lang. Yo, man. Hey. You.
Kayo mo,
Ano,
Jun?
mami?
Gago.
Ano? Okay. Now it's time to play. The happy birthday, Miss. Happy birthday, Miss. God bless. Kaya, Miss. Bakit kami na, Miss? What, Miss? Eh, Miss na kami. Miss na kami. Miss, baby kami. Idlog na kami.
Uy, gago.
Hi, Miss. Happy birthday. Thank you, good sa tanan. So, thank you sa tanan ng support ang binigay mo sa ako, Rai. Thank you, good kay you never stopped believing in me, even though fight sa sarili. May pabilis sa sarili ko, harap na bilang sa ako, for the big guy, kasi yung sarili ko, bisan sa Facebook lang. I'm so sorry. I love you. So we meet again. Bye-bye.
Action. Action. Bye.
Honey, happy kami daw sa bungis. Ay, langit kami si Always. Siyempre, good morning sa
South Taiwan. Is it from Thailand, right? Okay. Happy birthday. I hope you have many more birthdays to come. And I also pray that God will continue to bless the desires of your heart. And I wish to see you soon. Your students really miss you so much. I miss you more, Miss Judy. Enjoy today. Happy birthday once again. Bye-bye.